Helping your graduates find jobs in their field of study isn't easy. You search job postings online and in the local newspaper, only to find that the majority of the jobs require real-world experience. As if it wasn't hard enough, only about 20% of all available jobs are even publicly advertised. So how can you quickly identify which companies are hiring if 80% of them aren't publicly advertising? The employers are out there, but how do you find them? Introducing Gradcast.com. Gradcast is the first web-based system that helps schools streamline and automate their placement process, allowing you to connect your graduates with more potential employers faster than ever before. But it's not just software. We've also built a database of hundreds of thousands of industry-specific employers across the United States to help you market your graduates quickly and efficiently. Within seconds, you can put any graduate's resume in front of virtually every single potential employer in a specific industry and geographic area. That includes the 80% that aren't publicly advertising their open jobs. You can also create a weekly digest email that markets all of your available graduates at the same time to all potential employers, keeping your school and all of your graduates top of mind with these companies every single week. Already have relationships with local employers? That's great! You can add them to your own private database with Gradcast. Need to track and report on interviews, hires, and starts? You can do that too. We're so confident that Gradcast will make your placement process more effective that we'll let you try it out for free. Just go to www.gradcast.com to set up your free trial today. In less than 5 minutes, you could be tapped into the largest pipeline of potential employers and on your way to helping your graduates realize their goal of starting their new career. Get started today. Gradcast, connecting graduates with more potential employers faster than ever before.